Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now, a quick disclaimer before we start, please only take what resonates with you. What doesn't resonate, please go ahead and leave it. Now, let's go ahead and see what we have in store for this month. The first card that I see for you is Nine of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Three of Wands. Person B here has the Lovers card, Six of Wands, and the Star card. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. The bottom of the deck, I have the Sun card, which is Leo energy. It is a very positive sign because when the Sun card comes out, everything that was hidden, it just comes out in the open. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Nine of Wands, which means you're stressed, exhausted about something. The second card for you is Queen of Pentacles, which means that you're doing really well for yourself financially in your career or your business. You're doing really good, and that's something that a lot of people notice. The third card for you is Three of Wands, which means that there could be a situation where you will get stuck in some situation. Now for person B, the first card is Gemini, which means the Lovers card. It shows that this person has emotions for you. They also may feel that you are their soulmate. The second card is Six of Wands, which shows that they want victory in this particular relationship. And the third card being the Star card, which is Aquarius energy. So it could be that this person is an Aquarius. They look forward to you as if you are their wish fulfillment. Okay, they have been waiting for you since a long time, so they really want to make sure that they get victory in this situation with you. Now let's see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have. So the mutual feeling here I see is Knight of Wands, which means that you want to rush in and have a good time, because Wands talks more about passion, physical attraction. So currently the energy that I see for both of you is you want to have a good time, but both of you are not thinking long term. The blockage in this relationship is Seven of Swords, which means that there could be some kind of deception, cheating, which is happening. Maybe you or your person is doing it. The outcome of this relationship is the Moon card, which means that there are secrets. There is something that either you or this person is hiding. Now we'll also see what is the intention of this person for you for this month. So the first card is Temperance card, Ace of Swords, and Five of Wands. Temperance means balance. Okay, so it could be that balance is missing in this relationship and this person is now noticing that. The second card is Ace of Swords, which means a new beginning based on a very honest conversation between the two of you. And the third card is Five of Wands, which talks about some kind of fighting, some kind of competition around you and your person. Now we'll also see what is the message we have from Moonology Oracle deck for all of you. So the message that I see here is show the world the real you. So it could be that maybe the way you go ahead and show yourself to the world and the real person that you are, they are two different personalities. So you need to go ahead and show the real you to the outside world. Now let's quickly see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal is Watermelon Tourmaline. The crystal message being, are you looking for romance? Do you need more attention and affection? It is time to nurture yourself and treat yourself the way you would want others to treat you. This is a good time to rev up self-acceptance and increase your willingness to allow more love in your life. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Chamuel that I'll go ahead and put in the description box and you can read it out from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. It keeps me motivated to go ahead and create videos for all of you every week. And with this, like I always say, stay safe and love yourself first.